So let's go ahead and depin this one. First thing we're going to do, we're going to remove our front lock. That's what actually holds the catches in place and keeps the pins. It's like a secondary lock for the pins basically. So we'll lift this up, each side just a little bit, then I get behind it, kind of pop that front lock off. Once you've got the front lock off, you can see we've got our pins and then the catches inside of here that are actually holding each pin in place. So what we have to do is take a pick or a screwdriver. We're going to lift up that catch just a little bit, get it off the pin, and then I'm able to just simultaneously pull that pin out. And don't pull the pin before you've got the catch released, because otherwise it will kind of fight you on there and you can mess this up. So same thing, lift that catch up just a little bit. Other hand, I'm pulling that pin backwards, remove it out of the connector. So same deal here, third one, lift that catch up, pull that pin out, and we're moving out of the connector. So from here, you could either install this on the factory wires, or if you had to splice the new wires that we've sent with the connector, you can splice them onto the car with them in the connector or not. This is just a good way to do it. It makes it easier on you when you're soldering it. So from here, we're going to install these back. We want to make sure that our catch, which that hole right there is where the catch is going to grab. So I've still got the catches oriented to the top. So I'll install these through the back. We'll pull it around, turn it around here. And once you hear the click, then you know it's in position and it's locked in. Same deal, next pin. Install it, wait for the click, and our last pin. Alright, and then I give them a little tug on the back, make sure that that catch is actually flat. If that catch isn't flat, when you go to put on your front cap, it actually can catch that. It'll hit the catch, mess it up, and then of course you've got a broken connector that won't work. So here I know everything's flush, we're good to go. I'm able to just slide the front cap in position, everything's done. And there you go, the connector's redone.